Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you how to remove the Nvidia driver and restore the Nouveau generic driver on your Debian Linux. So you follow my last tutorial, and unfortunately sometimes the driver for Nvidia doesn't work for your system. You might experience a blank screen after you boot into your system. And it's an easy fix. You can just reverse this back to the Nouveau driver, and then you can download a different Nvidia driver package, and hopefully you can get it working. And with that, let's get started. So first thing, we're gonna simulate a blank screen. We can do that by using the init3 command. Alright, and that put it in a blank screen. So if you experience a blank screen like this when you log into your system after you reboot, what you can do is you can click the same command again, Control Alt and F1. That's gonna bring up the TTY console, and you can log in. So first thing, we're gonna stop the LightDM service. So you can use the sudo service LightDM stop. Okay. Next step is we're gonna remove the blacklist file. If you follow my tutorial, or maybe some tutorial on any other website, majority of the time they created the blacklist.conf file. So we're gonna find that file and delete it. So you can use the cd command and navigate to etc folder, then mod grub.d folder, and you do ls command. It would list all the file under that directory. So right here we have a blacklist that nouveau.conf. So we're gonna use the rm command. Might have to use sudo since this is in require more privilege for this file to be removed. So sudo command and rm, and then blacklist dash nouveau.config. Okay. Next step is to uninstall Nvidia. So you can do that by using a sudo command Nvidia dash uninstall. So say if you plan to no longer use Nvidia driver, you should make sure that no extreme config to use Nvidia driver. Okay. And you can, it asks you, would you like to restore the Nvidia config from the original backup? So we're gonna select yes to restore the original config, and okay. So next we're gonna purge anything with the word Nvidia in it. So what you can do is you can run the command sudo apt purge and Nvidia with the asterisk after it. So it's a wildcard. Anything with the Nvidia in front will be purged from your system. Okay. Next we're gonna do the sudo apt auto remove to remove any packages dependency that required for Nvidia, and we no longer need it. Alright, now that you have the Nvidia driver removed, the next step is to reinstall the X server. So you can do that using the sudo command apt install and that dash reinstall X server dash xor, enter. Next we're gonna reinstall the X server video Nouveau. So we're gonna repeat that same command again by clicking up the up arrow key, and then we're gonna tag it in video dash Nouveau. Alright, and next we're gonna regenerate the init RAM. So we're gonna use the sudo update -init and that u. Alright, and now you should be able to reboot. Okay, we're gonna log back in. And from here you can check to see that the driver loaded by open up terminal, and we're gonna using the ls pci command again. We're gonna rip Nvidia. Okay, I'm gonna copy the device ID, and we're going to use the ls pci -s, and with the device ID and that v for verbal. Okay, and as you see, the Nvidia GTX 1080 Ti, the driver now loaded with the Nouveau. And that's concluded today's tutorial. If you think the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.